Today's I am going to show you how to connect HP DeskJet 4155E printer with the home or office network. So this is a Wi-Fi setup. Once you do the Wi-Fi setup, you are able to use your printer for wireless printing and scanning. Now go to enter this printer into the setup mode. So go to the control panel. Press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button until power button starts to flash. Release it. You will see after some time, it will stay on and the blue light which is for the wireless will start to flash. That means the printer has entered into the setup mode. So go to your device and open the HP Smart app. You will see the option Add Printer button. So click on the Add Printer. On the next screen you can see set up a new printer and it says go to the Wi-Fi setup of your device. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. After entering the password, click on the Continue button. Press the Information button which is flashing on the printer. So once your printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. So this way we can do the Wi-Fi setup and from here you can start wireless printing and scanning. For scanning you can use the Printer Scan app here, and for printing just select any document you have and start printing. So overall it's very easy to set up the printer with the Wi-Fi network and then you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.